Hi guys, for today's session, we'll learn about record set. So record set is a non-business object. So what are the purposes of record set? So record set is a temporary solution for partners that need to work with objects that aren't exposed yet with the DI API. So please remember that record set is very risky. Mostly, there is no validation. So please be careful. And also, we recommend that record set is only used for retrieving or reading data purposes only. So how do we use the record set? So first is we need to declare the variable. After we declare the variable, we initialize and then we perform the do query and we access the data. So let's go to our Visual Studio to create the script for the simple record set. So first, we drop a button here. We name it as record set. Then, first is we initialize the record set. So, dim o record set as babscom.record set. Then, we initialize the record set by using the o company.getBusiness object. Then, record set object is bo record set. Okay. After initializing, we create a do query. Do query is a function that accepts a query as a parameter. You can use store procedure or select statement. So please be careful that there is no validation here. You can update, insert, or drop a table using a record set, but please, we recommend use only record set to select or retrieve data from the database. Okay, then first we will try to query the business partner. So we only get the card name and the card code. Then the table for business partner is OCRD. Then that's it. Then we access the data. So we can use the record set that move first to move the cursor on the first record. Then we have the for loop. So for I ctr as int32 equal to 1 to or record set that record count. So we have the record count to check how many records are there in our record set. Then we can we can show the records using message box. So string.format. Then to access the data from the record set, we can bp master at 0, then at 1. Then to access the data, we can use the o record set dot fields dot item, then the field dot value, then the other one or record set dot fields dot item, then the card name dot value. So that's the message, and then we call the record set dot move next. Move next to move to the next record. After we use the record set, we set the record set to nothing, to, and then gc.collect to delete it from the memory. Then we try our code. So now it's connected to the DA API. Then click the record set. Then we have the BP master displayed on the message box. So I have how many records? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how we retrieve data from the database using the record set. So on the record set, you can use store procedure on the do query. So that's all for now. See you again next session.